So here we are. We are in lovely Wisconsin. This is drift event number 1 in the blue Turbo Miata. Technically it's number 2, but the first one was like a year ago, so we're not gonna count that. It's kind of a crappy day outside. It's cold, it's cloudy, and it's gonna start raining. That means there's pretty much no one here, so we should get a lot of runs in. We're gonna go ahead, unload the car, get it all ready, and we can start drifting. Even though it's cold outside and miserable, we got a nice warm bus. There. Ooh, there's a little bit of lag in second gear.
Super lag?
Yeah. I just gotta get the hang of it here.
That was good.
That transition there, yeah.
That was pretty nice. I knew you got scared a little bit when you get closer to the thing.
Yeah. There's definitely like slippery spots and non-slippery spots. I'm gonna try another second gear one. Yeah, it's a little hard with the second gear because either clutch kick it a little bit too hard or not enough. Yeah, we're watching Ellen at a drift event. I was having trouble with entering in second gear. I was clutch kicking it a little bit too aggressively, so a lighter clutch kick in second gear. Got to get the second gear drifting down.
You just suck at drifting, dude.
I do, you're right. I think one of the things is I have to utilize clutch kicks a little bit more while in drift. So like, clutch kick. Okay, alright. So damn slippery. A little more speed.
Send it.
Nice, nice. Alright, now let's try donuts. Tried to do a clutch kick,
Yeah,
wasn't quick enough. Alright, I'm getting better.
Yeah, no, it's definitely connected. You gotta
Just like, no, you're not. It's no more rain! Woo! No rain! Yeah! One thing I noticed about this car is it burns a hell of amount of gas when any sort of like event. Like at my track day, I went through like a tank and a half.
No.
After like 4 runs.
Oh, well, yeah.
And like here, I've already gone through like half a tank. Wow, it was a lot slipperier than I thought. Got a transition there. All right. I'm happy. Like, I'm getting the hang of it. I can I can kind of do it. I'm gonna go ahead and film some other cars now, and then we'll get back at it after lunch. I think we found Molly's twin, very similar here. My GoPro got a little bit of water damage and it's kind of freaking out. Gotta go push my car now. I don't feel like turning on my car and turning it off again, so I just push it. Good thing it weighs like 2,000 pounds. Apologies in advance for the smudges on both the cameras. I need to clean the camera inside. Different on the drive. Damn it. Sent it a little bit too hard. I have drifting decently down, just like going around a corner. It's the transitions I need to nail now. That's obviously the harder part. It was definitely a little bit faster when it was dry, but it just feels better when it's dry. It's so much more predictable.
Hey, go!
Got my brand new trailer super muddy because of frickin' gosh darn it. Molly's looking like the Rally Miata a little bit. I'm really happy with the day. That last run, the last lap, I managed to get a transition down. Second gear, one corner into the next. So happy. So much better than any of the past events, driving wise. So I'm so happy. It's so good. This car drifts just so much better than the RX-7. Sorry RX-7, but it's true. So yeah, that's gonna be it. We're gonna head home. Both Pasha and I are, there we go. Both Pasha and I are super exhausted. We went to bed late last night, we woke up early today, and it's been a long day, a lot of work. We're gonna stop at B-Dubs on the way back, because that's a tradition that I've come up with, stopping at B-Dubs on the way back from this drift event. Oh, that smudge. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm starting to get the hang of drifting, kind of. I will say, I think the tires I have are just a little bit too grippy for my power level right now. I think it'll be easier to drift the car on those stock spares I've got. So we'll use those for the next drift event next weekend. We've got a big drift event next weekend, which I just said. 2 days, full weekend at Shawano. Yeah, it's gonna be really fun. I'm gonna learn a lot, and we're gonna make an awesome video. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, give it a like. If you didn't enjoy, give it a dislike. Thank you to Pasha for, I'm not sure if you can see him. It's really bright where I'm sitting. I can't see anything.
I'm here. I'm here.
Yeah, thank you to Pasha for filming and just hanging out. That's a really dope picture. Somebody took a, what are those called? Polaroid of the bus in the blue Miata. We're gonna start a photo collection of the back of the bus. So whenever I go to events and I hang out with you guys, we can like take pictures and like make memories for the bus. It's gonna be awesome. But yeah, anyway, subscribe if you're new and subscribe to Pasha's channel. And yeah, see you guys next time. Peace out. Bye-bye.